Hey there, everybody. I am Caitlin McDonald with Boundless Internet Marketing Solutions, and I am a partner here at the Social Speak Network. Today, I wanted to discuss with you a little secret that I know about Trello that we utilize in order to make sure that the processes we follow remain consistent for all of our clients. And this is actually utilizing the checklist feature within the cards on Trello. So if you don't know about Trello yet, it is a great project management tool. And I'm sure we'll be talking about it in a lot more videos. We do have one about how we utilize it for Instagram. And again, this one is really so that you know how to utilize the checklist functionality so that you don't forget any processes and nothing is missed when you are fulfilling projects. So I am just going to jump on over here and share my screen. Let's see, here we go. Perfect. So you now have up on your screen a Trello board that we have for actually a blogging management course. And this is just an example of how we recommend you can structure some blogs. But within here, you can see that underneath the names of each of these cards, there's this 0 out of 13. Now that is actually a checklist for search engine optimization on each of these different example blog post topics. Now, it reminds you as you're going through the process of, in this case, creating a blog post, that you should be checking off the items as you're going through. Now, you can utilize this for any process. It doesn't have to be search engine optimization. It could be client intake, for example, where you have certain steps that you follow every single time. So what you know when you create a new client and you create a card for them, that you can insert that checklist right there. So let's go through how you can actually install this onto a card. So I'm just going to click to create a card sample, and we can add information here and click save. And then what we can do is over here on the right-hand side of the pop-up, there's this item for checklist. Now, if you check checklist, you can either create your own new checklist example, or you can copy the checklist from another card. So if you have a template client card or search engine optimization card, you can easily grab this checklist from there. I'm going to select none just so you can see how to add the items. So call client, add, enter client in CRM, add, send welcome packet, add, QuickBooks for invoice, add, and whatever other items you want to add there. Then as you are going through and moving through this project, you can just select which items you have completed. Now, if you want to add another checklist, that is no problem. And as you can see, when I selected copy items from, it automatically changed the title there. And so this just adds a second checklist onto the card. So let's say you have multiple people working on a specific project. What you can do is have it so that either there are different cards for it or just add these checklists to the same card, and then everybody will be able to be on board with what step in the process they're at. Just as a quick side note, as you are creating these cards, you can also select the due date for something for the future. And if it is past due, this will turn red as a way to signify that, well, you need to get on it. So again, these ones are red, this one's red, this is green over here because it's already been completed. And you can also do things like assign labels, if things have been completed, or if somebody in particular is supposed to be working on it, or select a team member to really pay attention and to take ownership of the card. So this is just a quick tutorial on how to add those checklists onto Trello. We all have processes that we try and follow, but Trello makes it easy to make sure that we aren't missing any steps along the way and that our projects are really moving forward in a timely fashion. So all you do again is you just open up a new card or an existing one and click checklist. And then you can create your own new checklist or copy it from another card. So I hope that this has been helpful for you and that you can start utilizing it in your business. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you again next time.